like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell so you know when we're dropping new content.
One day I know I'll see a better place.
What's good, man? Check it out. I'm out here in Arlington, Texas at the Triple Crown USBR show. Shout out to the homie Israel. Shout out to the homie Adrian. The whole USBR team. It's going all the way up, man. We appreciate every single one of you guys.
I used to sleep up on a dirty mattress. Now I'm throwing money like a different practice. Plus I've been on fire like I'm striking matches with a bunch of women showing up in batches. Now they don't see me telling 50 glasses. I've been schooling haters like I'm teaching classes. Young Mexicano with a different passion, and I'm finally doing better. Thanks for asking. If it wasn't for the love, wasn't for my plug, wasn't for the drug, gotta stop. If it wasn't for the slum, wasn't for this run, I'd have never thought I'd be on top. Now my truck be shaking every time at night, and all my partners give it all I got. On my mama, I won't never stop, cause I grew up with the hustle on the block.
This is Thaddeus Robinson, all the way from the H, hands-on kennels, man. Shout out to Humble Life, man, TV. That's going down in Arlington, Texas right now, the Triple Crown. Y'all better get here, cause they in here, man. It's got some bulls in here for sure.
Get this like this.
Shout out to Angels and Demons, Susie Snacks and all that. Shout out to Humble Life TV.
We got 305 in the building here at USBR Arlington, Triple Crown. Just a fantastic venue.
What it do, fam? It's Jamie from Worldwide Exotic. Hey, special shout out to Humble Life TV. We out in the USBR Triple Crown show today.
I'm putting on for that outside. I got mad love for my city. Them jack boys is lurking. I got veteranos out with me. I hold it down and I been bad it. Been the corners in a big body. Double cup filled to the brim. Gripping grain and I still got it. Broken heart that's full of pain. Home is gone, caught in the rain. Streets cold, stuck in the game. Pray in the God, things gon' change. Since day one I've been called up. In the hood I was brought up. Picture packs out in these streets. It was sink or swim, so I bossed up and I kept grinding, hustle hard my whole life, give it all I got and I'm still shining. Versace links, that's all lace.
What's up? Shout out to Humble Life Kennels for the invite. This is my Landro Bullies, all the way from El Paso, Texas.
Humble Life TV and shout out Service World Bully Camp, man, y'all get at us. Yeah.
Sadie here with No Limit Soldier Kennel. Shout out to Humble Bully Life here at the USBR show.
Nigga, trying to put these problems to rest. These demons screaming, I'm playing, scheming. I look around and I'm all alone. Hit my knees, sending prayers up when they take me out. Please take me home. So many nights chasing these just to make them me. Losing friends, I spent so many nights thinking where I've been. I can't hold it in. Where do I begin? One day I know I'll see a better place.
For that cash, had to go get it, couldn't look back. 10 toes down off in these streets, how long will it last? Will I see my boys that done pass? Will they press play on my jams? Just put some Sachi shades on my face and throw a pinky ring on my hand. I ripped hard for that Texas. I did like I was supposed to. Just pour a little codeine out. Don't cry for me, I'm a soldier. Tell my kids I got them. That check gon' keep on rocking. Tell that new nigga that come after me, you got some big shoes to fit, partner. Legend down here, ghetto star. Pulled up on him when I went to war. Hopped out with new jewelry on. Every time you seen the boy, it's lucky, baby, my flow wet. And where I'm at is a better place. Just pop a bottle that more wet and keep them diamonds in they faces. Money out there, better grab it. Keep a gun in your kitchen cabinet. Never know what fuck boys gotta be prepared for that action. I pay my dues, I live the life. Don't worry about it, it's gravy. I was ballin' out of control and I'm gon' leave it all to my baby.
I spent so many nights chasing these just to make them me. Losing friends, I spent so many nights thinking where I've been. I can't hold it in. Where do I begin? One day I know I'll see a better place. One day I know I'll see a better place. One day I know
And I'm right here with the homie Adrian. He's in the ring.
What's going on? This is USBR show, Arlington, Texas. Don't forget, September 17th, Rio Rancho, New Mexico. It's gonna be a show you don't.
Man, I'm cutting this dude off. It's going all the way up, man. September 17th. He's a little camera shy, but let me tell you what, man. Humble Life TV, we in here for real, man. Straight up.